Hi, it's Kylie Coo. I was about to say welcome to my studio, but I'm not in my studio. I am actually in my, I don't know what to call it, childhood home? Yeah. So, I would say my parents' home, but where my mum lives. So, unexpectedly, I've had to come here today. I was due to be here today, but things took a turn and I am now staying over here. So I got here, I then had to dash home a wee bit of a distance down the road and get back here with a few overnight clothes, potentially for a few days, etc. And I realised when I got back I hadn't brought any art stuff with me. I'm sorry for the whisper, I'm trying to talk very quietly. It's not all that late at night, but my mum's gone to bed. She's not very well, so, I'm trying to do this quietly. So, on my way back, I stopped. There are no art shops round about, but I realised I didn't pack my art stuff. I want to paint when I get the chance, so I thought I'm going to see what I can pick up locally. So this is a very quick haul. So excuse the desk, a few little side tables pushed together. I was just trying to find somewhere quiet. Still trying to talk quietly, but I was trying to find somewhere quiet. So, so I went to a place called The Works, which will be known throughout the UK, I think. So, funnily enough, I had been in The Works around about a week ago and I'd bought some pens. They look like Poscas, they're paint pens. I've not had the chance to use them. I was going to try them out today or tomorrow and put a quick video up about that. I will still do that, but I don't know when I'm going to be at home to do that. But I thought I need some art stuff here so that I can do some art. I've got my iPad, so I will be doing some digital art. Oh, low battery, so I hope that didn't interfere. So yeah, I've got my iPad. I'll do some art on the iPad, but I wanted to show you a quick haul. So I've taken the cellophane off, so I picked up this sketchbook. It's a 6 by 6 inch, 15.2 by 15.2 centimetres, 115 GSM. So it's quite small. It's got the name there, which is, I think, the brand from The Works, which is Crawford and Black. This is premium, and I just felt that this would be quite a good size. I am currently trying to do some of the Badass journal pages. If you don't know, I'm a teacher in this year's One Badass Art Journal 2024. I'll leave links. If I can leave a link, I will. I don't know how to do it with this, but if not, look at a previous video and you'll get the link to that course, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I am trying to join in. I didn't bring my Badass journal with me, so I'm going to try and do some pages in here. So, not the thickest pages, but by the time I get some acrylics on this, perfectly good for what I want to do. Next, I thought, what else do I get? Do I get some pens? Do I get some paints or whatever? So I ended up picking up this acrylic starter set. Again, Crawford and Black, calls it premium. And it had a £10 sticker on it. Underneath it's got 20. I don't know how reliable that 20 is, but it was £10. I've opened it up and I love the fact it's in a tin. If nothing else, the tin is good. Nice locks on the tin. Let's see, have I got them open? I'm sorry, this video will not be great, but I'm trying to do my best. So what you get inside is great. Here we have a little canvas panel. a paint tray, some palette knives, a couple of sketching pencils in 2B and in HB, an eraser, a pencil sharpener, 3 paint brushes, I think there's a flat and 2 round, and then a variety of colours, and these are in 12ml tubes, but there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bigger tubes, 20ml, black, white, which of course you always use more of, not so much the black for me, but definitely the white, an iridescent gold, an iridescent silver, and an iridescent blue-green. So I don't know what these are going to be like, but you know what? This is what was available to me, and I am going to make the most of it. So between these and this, it gives me some scope just to do a bit of creating and, you know, a little panel thrown in. So I think for, you know, the £10 for this set, and I love the tin box. The tin box is almost worth the £10. The, was it £4 for that? Yeah, so £14 for this and this. I think it's not too bad. I also picked up a book for reading, funnily enough. I usually go for, I quite like crime mysteries, you know, thrillers. I saw this and I was drawn to it because of the cover. I don't know if you remember the fantasy drawing I did not all that long ago. It was of a stag, the horns, the, what are these things called? They're not horns, but you know what I mean. These were different because I made them more like kind of branches of trees, but there's just something about the colours and this. If I can insert a photo I will, but I doubt that I will because I'm not sure how to do all the fancy editing on this. So a quick haul. Gosh, it's already 7.5 minutes. We'll see what I can do. I want to do some of my badass pages if I can, and maybe a few other pages. I might just sit down at this very minute and do something. Just filming on my phone, so the quality is not going to be great. There's going to be a bit of movement, so sorry for that. I'm going to have a wee whiskey. I'm Scottish, so I'm going to have a wee whiskey. I have not been drinking any alcohol at all. I had a little glass of wine earlier. I'm going to have a wee whiskey now, so slàinte to you. And if you watch this, I would love for you to give me the thumbs up if you can. Share it if you will. You know, if you like it, please share it. What other things? If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. I honestly don't know if I'm going to get my usual Saturday or Sunday video done for my concertina journal. I could be here for a little while, and that's fine. I'm perfectly okay with that. I don't like the situation, but family first. So, holding it with one hand. So, thanks ever so much for watching. Do heart me. Join that heart, the other part of that heart, please. And yeah, hope to see you again soon. I love this. Yeah, so I'll let you see what I create. Maybe not the badass pages until the badass stuff is done. And yeah, that's a great class hosted by T.R. Smith. So if I can, links below. If not, look at a previous video. So nearly like 10 minutes. Thanks ever so much for watching. Do take care. Bye for now.